So question 6. Satya needs to visit supermarkets in 3 towns. The towns are Dale, Abbey and Upton, and we have a little map here. She needs to start from her office, visit each town and then finish back at her office. Okay, so as I say, we've got this little map here. Obviously it's not drawn accurately. Now she doesn't want to travel any more than 75 miles in total, and we have to find a route and its total distance from the office to the 3 towns and back to the office. Okay, so for example, she could go from the office out to Dale and then back and then Upton and back and then Abbey and back, but this would double up all of these figures, which would take us over the 75 miles. Equally, she could go, say, from the office to Upton, go all the way round, come back to Upton and then back to the office. That would also take us over the 75 miles. So I will be inclined to go from the office to Abbey because that's the shortest distance out, then to Upton, then to Dale. So now she's hit all 3 towns and then come back to the office. Okay, now you could equally go from the office to Dale and then Abbey and Upton and then come back. Okay, so you don't have to go all the way round, you only need to hit those 3 places, and it's just a question of working out all 3. But I feel that this route would give me the required distance less than 75. Okay, so what I've done is I've already marked this down here. So I've put the journey, so the office to Abbey, then Abbey to Upton, Upton to Dale, and then Dale to the office. Then I need to total the journey, so I just add those distances. So the office to Abbey is 12 miles, so I can write in here 12 miles. Then Abbey to Upton. Now Abbey to Upton is 15 miles. Sorry about jumping backwards and forwards. You would obviously have the sheet so that you could just look at it. Now Upton to Dale is 20 miles. And then Dale back to the office is 17 miles. So we can see here that she's gone to Upton, Abbey and Dale and started at the office and ended up at the office. Okay, so her total journey would just be these figures added together. So you can use a calculator, but 5 and 2 is 7, 7 is 14, and I just carry 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So its total journey would be 64 miles, and that's the answer. Okay, surprisingly easy. So we'll just move on to the next